Hi everyone, welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well, and I'm back with another MC Stan reaction. And in my last video where I reacted to him for the first time, I saw so many comments where you told me please react to his full album Tadipar. And there is a song with the same name when I went to his channel, but then you guys told me like it's like a full series, sort of like a storyline. So I need to start from the beginning. So the first song in this album is Hosh Mein Aa. So that's the video that I'm going to be reacting to today. But before that, there is an interlude video which probably is like an introduction video to this album. So I'll watch that also because it's like 2.5 minutes. So I'm pretty sure उसमें भी काफी कुछ context होगा, which will make me understand this album in a much better way. So I will watch, sort of react only to the interlude video, and then I will actually react to the first song of this album, which is Hosh Mein Aa. So I'll go in the series because of course that only makes sense, and maybe I'll understand more about him as an artist, his life also, because you guys told me that this entire album is sort of like pretty reflective of his life. And from what I read last time, like you told me, he's one of the most unique artists in the Desi hip hop scene. He has a very he has his own niche, and he has had a tough life. It's not been very easy. So I hope this reacting to the songs from this album gives you more context. And yes, let's not delay this any further because you know the interlude is around 2.5 minutes and the song is like 5.5 minutes. So let's see what I decode about his life, how I find him as an artist, because in my last reaction I told you that he stood out for me. He completely stands out. His vibe was very different, the music, the way he rapped, very different. So yes, let's start with interlude and then we will move on to Hosh Mein Aa. All right. Oh, he has the most unique hairstyles, huh?
Really, nigga, really, nigga.
That meme. What's written?
Get my ass, bro. Break yourself. Leave me burning on stats, bro. I'm with dead a little baby. Yeah. We got 4 choppers in this pool.
I a gangster? No.
The planet is dead. Go home.
Okay. Oh wow, I'm intrigued. Out soon.
चलते रहे कुछ करो
Oh. Oh wow. So he's running away from the cops. Was he a troublemaker? This came last year in August. तो मतलब 1 साल के ऊपर हो गया because this premiered on 7th August. Very intriguing. मतलब अगर ये एज अ स्टैन फैन मैंने अगस्त में देखा होता, आई वुड हैव बीन लाइक लिटरली डाइंग फॉर क्योंकि ट्रैक कब ड्रॉप होगा, बिकॉज द वे दिस इंट्रो हैज बीन शॉट, इट sort of starts with him waking up and you see this glitch happening again and again, where I think he is like, there is this world which is the life that he's leading, and another world which is completely maybe inside his head, where he his creative side, his creative mind. So he's always in that zone where he's sort of thinking creatively and figuring out life with that mind. और एक और life जो उसकी जो normal life है with friends and all, where I think he's a troublemaker and running away from police. तो मुझे exactly पता नहीं है कि मतलब ये sort of कितना realistic है, like was police after him? Because I absolutely don't know anything about his personal life, like what he went through. तो मुझे लगा, initially I thought कि I'll probably read up a little bit about him, but then when I saw the comments, you said that Tadipar, when you are reacting to the entire song one by one, you'll sort of understand his story, his life story. तो I thought कि वो पढ़ने से अच्छा है ये देखो, इससे थोड़ा ज़्यादा समझ आएगा maybe. And the way this video was shot looked amazing. I think यहाँ पे credits में दिया होगा, director of this, the video designed by No Filter. Okay, so this is like one full team. डायरेक्टर वैभव पाटिल, मुझे लगता है बहुत ही अच्छा डायरेक्ट किया है टू गेट यू इनटू दैट जोन कि हाँ ये एल्बम आने वाला है, व्हाट्स गोइंग टू कम नेक्स्ट. सो येस, आई लाइक्ड इट, इट हैज ऑलरेडी गॉटन मी इंट्रीग्ड. आई एम सो हैप्पी कि आई डोंट हैव टू वेट, आई कैन जस्ट रिएक्ट टू द सॉन्ग्स ऑफ द एल्बम वन बाय वन. एंड येस, आई विल मूव ऑन टू होश में आ. दिस इज द फर्स्ट सॉन्ग फ्रॉम दिस एल्बम एंड लेट्स सी हिज स्टोरी. सबटाइटल्स. एक कमेंट पढ़ा था मैंने जिसमें बोला था आप स्टैन के गाने सुनोगे तो सबटाइटल इज लाइक दे आर मस्ट. ऑल राइट, लेट अस बिगिन. प्लेबॉय. No Filter. These are the people who are actually responsible for getting the video made. My first thought is how amazing is the camera work. Oh, that's hardcore. Whoa.
हाँ bro.
Is that a sex doll?
Stand bro, क्या सीन है?
यार क्या सीन ब्रो? अरे हाँ ब्रो, तेरे लिए तो वीडियो डाल रहा ब्रो. What the fuck bro? Bro fast है ब्रो.
अरे वीडियो छोड़ने का अपने को होश में आने का छोड़ के ये सब क्या कर रहे हैं?
काय हो बीच और रात को चली गई क्या? तो क्यों लगता घर में से इसके लिए चली गई काय पब्लिक? ये अरे यार
So they partied hard last night. They're all hungover.
क्या ब्रो यार हो रहा ही नहीं
और high.
कर अपलोड ही नहीं हो रहा ब्रो. अरे यार क्या मैच चल रही है? फक ये मैच चल रही है. अरे ब्रो अपलोड ही नहीं हो रहा. स्टैंड ब्रो बुझा ये भी नहीं चल रहा ब्रो. क्या चल रहा ही नहीं ब्रो. फक ब्रो क्या? अरे मैं सोचा मैं गाड़ी का आएगा मार्केट में हो रहा है नहीं देख रहा ब्रो. फक ट्रिप हो रहा ब्रो. क्या नहीं बोलिएगा. नेट भी नहीं चल रहा ना ब्रो. किसका फोन आ रहा है ब्रो? नीचे आएंगे छोड़ अपन चलिए ब्रो.
चलिए होश में आए निकल ब्रो.
It's written fuck Stan in the wall. Dude, his hairstyles are so cool.
ए ब्रो जल्दी 2 मिनट ब्रो. ए शायद से हो रहा 2 मिनट हो रहा.
अच्छा, अपलोड नहीं हो रहा गाना, अपलोड नहीं हो रहा है. हो गया अपलोड गाना. ओके
जरा दुनिया तू देख कितनी बदरी खाइले जरा खुद को तू दे तू PUBG के जोन में तेरी बेल लगी फोन में तेरे को मालूम क्या कौन में इसलिए बोल रहा तेरे को होश में आ जरा दुनिया तू देख कितनी बदरी खाइले जरा खुद को तू देख तू PUBG के जोन में तेरी बेल लगी फोन में तेरे को मालूम क्या कौन में पाक जिस दिन तूने करा मेरे को डिस उस दिन से मर्डर की किस्में में अंदर तो धारापन सुन के लेती है 26 से तेरी जैसे बचकाने को मेरे लिए 36 मेरी कमर लेने वाला चल नीच में समर में हमर फिर आनंद की कमर फकरा 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 बेटा होम मेरा एक होम तेरे दो होम आगे से पीछे से ऊपर से नीचे से हर जगह से मैं वातो नहीं ब्लड में नहीं क्रिप में नहीं फ्लिप में फुल चीप में ओजी बोल के फर्स्ट कॉपी चिट करे वो लोग चीप में होश में आते को दे रहे वो लोग लीक में होगा तो बीच में स्लीच में ट्रिप में लीव पे स्ट्रीट पे चीप में सीक में बीट में नीट में नीड में वीड में भीड़ में फीड में फ्री में दूध तुझको ग्रीन में लीन में क्लीन में सीन में फील में किल में चिल में नील में बिल में गेट में इतना बस वो इंट्रो आगे मालूम पड़ेगा कौन में
Oh.
कितनी बदरी खाइले जरा खुद तू देख तू PUBG के जोन में तेरी बेल लगी फोन में तेरे को मालूम क्या कौन में इसलिए बोल रहा तेरे को होश में आ जरा दुनिया तू देख कितनी बदरी खाइले जरा खुद को तू देख तू PUBG के जोन में तेरी बेल लगी फोन में तेरे को मालूम क्या कौन में पुलिस सिर्फ कर रही चिलिस मासा कर दे कैसे लिखते लिरिक्स दिल्ली छोड़ आप लोग जाने का फीनिक्स पैसे नहीं कुछ नहीं जाने का फीनिक्स 432 बोले तो बिहारी को जाम शीशे पे किसको बनगा चले वर्ग निकाल गणपति आगे लो वर्ग निकाल तो कर मेरे घर पे गांजे का झाड़ PUBG में बंद हो गए तुम एक रूम में बंद हो गए तुम एक सोच में बंद हो गए तुम मेरे सोच तक पहुंचे नहीं तुम
What?
रखो जीवन एसिड तभी पूछेंगे तुम 10 टाइम सोचेंगे तुम मेरी हर एक बात को समझ मेरी बात को पेट्रोल गाड़ी में तो छूते थक लाइफ देना रात को बोंडा हो गले करे तू बोना मत बन 4 सेकंड या मिलेगा फन ये खौंड दे किसको गलत सोच रहा ममड़ा तू मिलेगा फन नहीं मिलेगा धन ऊपर से हो जाएगा मन तेरी सोच लंदन में घूमते बटेली कैसे क्या करते
Nice wordplay there.
जी का मत मेरे को बटेली को रोड में आके तेरे दी डाले ते को घर पे सुबह सोने वाले गाड़ी संभाल मेरे को कम सब टीवी देखो तो बोलना मत को तुम 10 गाने फेंको मेरा एक गाना बस हुआ तेरे को कर तुम मेरे को लड़की के बोझ में हाथ रखे देखो मैं ट्रिक को yeah
That was Stan hitting somebody, right? Let me go back. That was Stan. Yeah, that's him. So the two groups got into a fight and he sort of that's why the police is after him. That was intense. That's the first thing which came in my mind. Literally it got over so soon. मैं पहले बोल रही थी कि 5.5 मिनट का है तो it's gonna be pretty long, but just went into a jiffy, just went in a flash because I was so much into it and concentrating so hard. Wow. Can I just say the first thought when I was watching this, the very first thought which came in my mind, looking at how the video has been shot and everything and the lyrics, so in the end the second verse was very very fast, तो काफ़ी सारे word plays bars मैंने miss किए होंगे, but the gist of the song, firstly it was very hard hitting, like this was intense. The video looked very very intense to me. The video looked absolutely intense to me, where you see the beginning where he and his group of friends, they are sort of are chilling and they are in their zone, they are all high, they had like a lot of they partied hard the previous night, so they are all lying down, they're hungover, and one of his friends is trying to upload the song. So it could be there could be two things, क्योंकि वो बार बार बोल रहा था कि अपलोड करने का मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, हो नहीं रहा है. सो एक चीज़ ये हो सकती है कि ऑफ कोर्स ऑल हिम एंड हिज फ्रेंड्स वर पार्टिंग हार्ड एंड सॉर्ट ऑफ हैविंग फन एंड चिलिंग एंड स्मोकिंग एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, एंड along with doing that they were trying to get into a zone where they let their creative juices flow and come up with a good song. So maybe in the state of that high, Stan came up with that song. उसने कहा कि भाई मेरे को एकदम क्रिएटिव वाला हार्डकोर लिरिक्स लिखने के लिए वी ऑल हैव टू गेट हाई, एंड देन द नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग व्हेन एवरीथिंग इज डन द फ्रेंड इज ट्राइंग टू अपलोड द सॉन्ग. Maybe I'm just looking too much into it. It means nothing, but that's how I look. I mean, because you told me that his videos, like this particular album series, has a meaning, so that's why I'm trying to decode the video as well. Then, of course, the song gets uploaded there in the car, and then they go here and there. Then at the end, two groups, they get into a fight, and Stan ends up hitting that other person with that baseball bat in the head. So that's how it ends, where I feel that because he was in the interlude video where we see the police is after him, maybe they're after him because he hit that person, and that person probably was very critically injured. ये सब मेरा गैस वर्क है. हाँ guys, I could be completely wrong, but do let me know. I know you guys will give me context, and I'm really sorry wherever I'm guessing it wrong or interpreting it wrong. Please don't mind. No offense to anybody or anything. It's just my interpretation while looking at the video and going, discovering a new artist on my own. That's about the video. The camera work is exceptional. I loved it. That's what was catching my attention again and again. जब मैं जो बोल रही थी ना कि मैं एकदम concentrate करके सुन रही हूँ, it's because of the camera work was just fantastic. It was very trancy, like it sort of showed कि थोड़ा सा weird, wacky वाला जो camera movement है. Maybe it's a glimpse inside his brain that he thinks differently. He's different. ये भी हो सकता है because the camera work was just brilliant. It was a chef's kiss. I think that was the biggest standout for me over here. Third, the way he rapped, there were so many flow switches that I loved, especially when he was rhyming and the music stopped and he was rhyming ये है वो है ये है, that part. Wait, let me just go back there. That was so fantastic. I don't know if it means something. No. I like पहले वाले गाने में स्नेक में इतना ऑटो ट्यून यूज था, and यहाँ पे he's like properly rapping without any auto tune, which I like. And वो पार्ट कहाँ है? हाँ,
इतना बस वो इंट्रो आगे मालूम पड़ेगा. मैं सीख में बीट में नीट में नीड में वीड में भीड़ में फीड में फ्री में दूं तुझको ग्रीन में लीन में क्लीन में सीन में.
And then the music stops and the voice sort of gets modulated. And then he said कि इतना intro मेरा काफ़ी, अब मैं बताऊंगा मैं कौन हूँ. And there are a couple of lines in the beginning where he said कि जिस दिन like he sort of said धारा 300 something के उस पे sort of like police charging him with some crime. So he was actually in jail for that. Do let me know क्योंकि उसने specifically एक धारा का नाम लिया, एंड उसने बोला कि जब तुम मेरे बारे में बोल रहे थे तब मैं पुलिस की कस्टडी में था, ऐसा कुछ लाइन है. वेट, लेट मी जस्ट पुल अप द लिरिक्स. आई थिंक वो वहाँ पे आगे पीछे करने से अच्छा है कि मैं लिरिक्स ही पुल अप करूँ. Now the lines in the first was just तूने करा मेरे को डिस, उस दिन मैं मर्डर के केस में गया था अंदर, and he has specifically mentioned section 326. So ये किसी को बोल रहा है, आई थिंक किसी ने उसको डिस किया. आई एम गेसिंग ही इज टॉकिंग अबाउट अनदर रैपर जिसने उसको डिस किया होगा. एंड देन द वे ही सेड कि उस टाइम जिस दिन तुमने मुझे मेरे बारे में डिस निकाला, उस दिन पुलिस चार्ज मी विद सेक्शन 326, which I am guessing is consistent with the last scene of this video where you see Stan hitting that person with that baseball bat. So I'm guessing that section 326 is similarly, like it's related to that particular offense only. Now why that fight broke out, I don't know, but it looks like there are two groups, two gangs or something, who are having a disagreement and then they fight. And about the lyrics, he didn't hold back. There's no censoring. He's just rapping what he's thinking. But the entire arrangement of the song, and I am guessing he has only done it. Let me just once again, yeah, produced by MC Stan. So artist him, produced by him. So the entire arrangement, the way this entire song has been arranged with the beat, then it slows, like then the beat is not there when he's like rhyming. Then again the beat starts. It's fantastic. And the voice modulation that he had, I loved it. So overall song wise this is great, though I honestly, if you ask me, क्योंकि दो ही गाने मैंने रिएक्ट किए, स्नेक तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. Hosh Mein Aa, I would say कि yeah, it's a good start. I'm actually willing to see how the other song sounds like, because यहाँ पे गाने से ज़्यादा I think I got more impressed with the video, the way it was shot, the way the story was shown. That kept me hooked. I don't know if I listen to the song independently I will like it as much or not, because with Snake I love the song as a standalone song. Like अगर उसका music video भी ना हो and I just listen to it, I would end up loving it nonetheless, because it just sounded great to my ears. Here I think I was so hooked to the video. Maybe I have to listen to the song 2-3 times more, but nonetheless this is a good start. I am really intrigued to see what journey he has, because if he was like jailed as per the lyrics, I want to see how he came out of it and what was his thought process. So yes, that was the reaction, guys. Do share in your thoughts. I am looking forward to discovering this artist. I mean, the song is very different. Like Snake and Hosh Mein have two completely different vibes, and you guys told me that all his songs sound very, very, very different, and that is why he has created a niche for himself. So yes, that was the reaction for MC Stan's Hosh Mein Aa from his album Tadipar. And yes, that was it. I will sign off now, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.